Good day. It is about time we got stuck into some training, isn't it? So I've been sort of wondering how's best to sort of show you things and stuff like that. So I've been playing with like screen recording and OBS and stuff, and I think I might have a decent way of doing it. You guys can let me know, obviously. So what I'm going to do is the introduction to the course that tells you how to use it and everything, done by Ed, is I'm going to go through that and watch it with you guys and put all that on there. It's not really right me putting the full course on the video, is it? Then you can just read it and use it for reference material. So that's what I'm going to do, and then we'll watch that together first, and then what I'm going to do is I'll just go through and do some modules in the course, and if I see something that's really good or really thingy, then I'll go back and do it again and show you guys. And some of the things that Ed was mentioning on the opening presentation bit, which I've actually just done and recorded, so I knew what to speak to you about, are really cool, sort of like the live chat and the forums and the questions and everything else. So yeah, it's pretty cool. There's a lot more to it. I think you get a lot more value for your money than you might realise, and looking at it from a technical point of view, there's a lot of work gone into it, a hell of a lot of work to get it all working. So yeah, let's get on and watch the first section of the thingy course. Okay, after much experimenting, I think I might have this working. We'll see. So after you go to the Ardent website, go to your dashboard, which is generally just over here somewhere, and you'll see the courses that you're on. I'm on the RYA Day Skipper, 0% because I've been a naughty boy and not been doing my work. We'll get into it. I had a quick look. So yeah, here is the doobly thingamadanga, the lesson thing. There are probably words for this that we'll probably find out at some other point. But yeah, let's have a look.
Hello and welcome to this Day Skipper theory course by Ardent Training. My name is Ed, but before we get stuck into the course, I just quickly want to run through the course player and the features to make sure you don't miss out on anything. So this course can be run on any device, laptop, computer, tablet, phone, up to you, but we do recommend that the bigger the screen, the better. So computer or laptop's our preferred option. So when you're ready to explore, we'll run through the features. Just hit next in the bottom corner and let's crack on.
Easy peasy, innit?
Now, a really unique selling point of our courses is that we have not only written the entire Day Skipper course in text and diagrams with interactions, but we've also recorded it all in person in video on our Boat Meether. You don't have to read all the text and watch all the video. That's not the point. The idea is you can pick text or video, what's your preference, what's your learning style, and just go with that. Now the videos do automatically play, so if you are someone like me who prefers to read the text and doesn't want to hear my annoying voice, just hit mute on your computer and I'll shut up.
Ed, if you want to talk about annoying voices, come on. Right, so that's a good idea, isn't it? Because sometimes you do just want to read through stuff.
Now, whenever you load a lesson for the first time, the video will be displayed in this upper left top corner. Now, if you want to bring the video onto the main view and shrink the text out the way, you just hit this little icon with the two arrows shown in the corner of the video. There we go. Now the video is large and the text is small, and if you don't like the way I look, you can always put me back in the corner.
I'm going to enjoy this course. I know I am.
Now we have taken the time to design this course to be taken in an order. Some modules follow on from the last one and build on previous knowledge. However, you don't have to stick to this. If there's a subject in the further ahead that you want to jump to because it's of particular interest, feel free to jump ahead there. Or maybe you want to go back and revise a previous lesson or go over a previous knowledge check, that's fine. On a large screen, the course contents will already be displayed down the side of the screen. But on a smaller screen, this may be hidden to begin with. So all you need to do is hit this little menu button in the top left, 3 little lines, and that'll bring up a list of all the modules and lessons for you to choose from. Now, the most important feature of all, voted our favourite feature from our successful students, the instructor support. Yeah, anytime you're stuck or don't understand something, you can get in touch with us. That's me or Charlie or Alan or any of our instructors. We are here manning the phone and the email and the live chat 8 AM to 8 PM 7 days a week, 364 days a year. If you're wondering, the one day we all take off is Christmas. So the best way to contact us is via our live chat feature. That's this little symbol in the bottom right corner with the chat icon. Hit that and you'll have instant access to one of our instructors. Stick your email address in when prompted so we know exactly who we're talking to, and let us know what you need help with, and we'll get straight back to you.
That's pretty cool. I might test that and demonstrate it actually. And how dare you have Christmas Day off, Ed, and everybody else? What a disgrace.
Of course, not everyone likes to use the live chat, and we're not going to force you to use it. If you prefer, you can email us at instructor@ardent-training.com or call us on 01688 325 025. That's a UK number, so if you're outside the UK, just add +44 to the beginning. Now, live chat is our preferred method, and that gets you the quickest response time. Now, we say we always aim to get back to you in 4 minutes on the live chat, although in reality, we're normally getting back to you in less than a minute. Emails, they can take a bit longer. We aim for 30 minutes to get back to an email, though if it's a really complicated question you've asked or a long detailed email, sometimes it just takes us longer to write a reply. And phone calls, of course, we always pick them up as soon as we hear it ringing. And if you catch us off guard and we do miss it, we will call you back as soon as possible. The most important thing is that you reach out when you need help. Get in touch with us is what we're here for. We're part of the package. There's really no point in you getting frustrated on your own.
That's good. I'll probably remove those phone numbers so that random people that aren't on the course don't just start ringing you up and just completely blag it sort of thing. Oh yeah, I was having a question about yada yada yada. Not even on the course.
And now my personal favourite feature, because it gives you the chance to help us improve the course, it's our discussions feature. Now, this can be found in the top right corner of any lesson, and it can be used to ask something a little bit on topic but extracurricular. Something you might think will be of interest to future students as well as yourself. It could be a question about a particular piece of equipment you have on your boat, or a clever way you have of remembering something that we're teaching in the lesson, or just a funny, relevant story. Now, this discussion thread will be stored there. We'll answer it again as soon as possible, but also it will be available for other students to answer and available for all future students to read. So it's your chance to bring some excellent extra information that we couldn't otherwise fit within the course material.
There's a lot of thought gone into this, isn't there? Like a real lot of thought gone into this.
Now, there are 2 more features I'm going to quickly tell you about before I let you loose on the course. But to find these, we first need to go back to the dashboard. And to do this, you just hit this Go to Dashboard button in the top left corner of your screen above the list of lessons and modules. Once you're on the dashboard, you should find the resources section at the top here and a link to the student forum down here at the bottom, and that's what we're going to talk through next. Now, the resources section is where we upload any proformas, templates, or any extras that go along with the course. So we've sent you some proformas in your student pack. If you want to print off extras, you'll find them here. But there's also lots of extra information, videos, blogs, all sorts of extras for you here. Everything on here is completely free for you forever, so take a look, see if there's anything useful for you, and feel free to share it, or if there's something that you would like to find here that isn't currently here, let us know and we'll see if we can add it.
There's a lot more. You're getting a lot more for your money than you think you are, aren't you?
And finally, we have the student forum. Now, if you were taking this course in a classroom, at some point I'd say to you, alright guys, take a break, go grab a coffee, come back in 15 minutes. And you'd head out into the kitchen, make a coffee, and you'd chat with your fellow students. It might just be, where have you come from? Or where are you taking your practical course? Or, you know, what are you intending to do with this qualification? It's nice to chat with your fellow students. And actually, engagement with your peers does improve motivation and enjoyment. So please get stuck in, introduce yourself, let us know why you're here and what your ambitious sailing plans are. The more you join in, the more fun it will be, and it's also a great place to ask for any extra advice that really doesn't fit into any of the lessons or the syllabus so far. For example, I'm looking at buying a boat, what does everyone think of this one? Or where's everyone taking their practical course? Has anyone got any recommendations? Okay, that's the basics. I've shown you how to use the website. Now crack on with your next lesson, and don't forget, if you ever get stuck, just get in touch.
Well, that's bloody awesome, isn't it? Right, let's see what we're doing. Good, innit? Plenty of different stuff on there that I hadn't even realised was on there. I just thought it was like, oh, bog standard online course, blah blah blah. But being able to go on the forums and get the live chat up and stuff like that, I'll probably get them on live chat at some point and record it. Not today though. I've already been through the next section as I'm talking to you here, which was an introduction to all the different instructors and their background and stuff like that, which would have been cool to record, but like, you don't want to sit through half an hour of the stuff and then if you go and do your course, sit through half an hour of it again. But let's just say they're all pretty awesome people. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is the next section, I believe, is navigation. So I'm going to go through, do all that, let you know what I thought at the end of it, just interject at different times, and then throw a bag on this video and keep doing the courses. But yeah, let's see what happens.
A few moments later.
Right, I've just done another module which was like names of stuff on boats, but I knew most of it, well, I knew all of it. So basically, the good thing about this is that you're not in a classroom, you don't have to sit there and listen to it. Pretty sure you know it, you can just click through it and do it in like 5 minutes. And the good thing about that is then at the end of it you have like a knowledge test and a little end of module testy thing. So if you thought you knew it but you didn't know it, you find out at the end, which is handy. Yeah. So that's that. The next module that I'm about to start, I require getting all the charts out and stuff, so it means I need to have a tidy up and make some proper learning space for myself. Whether I'm going to do that today, because it is utterly grim. It's just one of those days where you just want to be under a duvet. I think it's like gusting 50 knots and the boat's all over the place and yada yada yada. Yeah, so I'm cracking on with it. We're getting there. Yeah, next week we'll get the charts out, and or next time we'll get the charts out and maybe use a live chat and stuff like that. Yeah. so far, so good, so happy. And if you want to do your course, get some money off with the link thing that I'll probably put across the bottom at some point. I don't know, I'm not good at this stuff, am I? Yeah, catch you next time.